the Bracketteers.
Sean's got hiccups.
And they're like followed by burps. What is that funny?
I'm having a laughing attack. I don't know why. Sean never has hiccups, so it's funny for some reason.
I usually get the one single hiccup once a day. Bentley gets hiccups and we always miss it.
Oh, Bentley gets hiccups a lot too, and it's usually when I'm in the shower or right when I get out of the shower or something. And he'll do it like 4 or 5 times and he stops. Sean's been doing it for a few minutes now.
Yeah.
I just had to share that with you because it's funny.
Stop laughing at it. Stop laughing.
Okay. Anyway, isn't that funny? It's funny. Hiccups are weird. Like, what's the whole point of them? Like, why? Why? Lulu. Oh, now you'll leave. Silly cat. Turn on the camera and Luna leaves me. So I've been counting some change. And Luna decided to come play with it. But now that the camera's on, she's probably decided, it's boring. I'm not going to play anymore. Although she might come back when she starts hearing the jingles. She likes the sound. Yep, here comes my helping buddy. You gonna help me count? Luna too, you gonna help me count? Help me count all the change? Yeah? So 1, 2, 3. She kept biting on this because she didn't know what this was. What is it? What is it, huh? Anyways, I'm gonna count some change. Oh, Luna. See, I told you, be careful. Count some change here, and Luna looks like she's not going to want to help anymore because she's scared of that sound. So, we'll see what happens. Alrighty, so I got all the change rolled here. Got these emptied out. These ones had some leftovers. And got a nice chunk of change right there. Literally, a chunk of change. So yeah, it takes forever to do, but you gotta do it sometimes just so that you know what you got going on in there. So we're gonna put this away and do some laundry. Laundry all over the bed. I'm not gonna show it to you, but you know how that goes, right? Right. All right, so Sean's slaving away over here making dinner. Look at that. Getting stuff in the water. You put stuff in here. Got stew stuff, vegetables, and we're gonna stick this meat in there. Yeah. And we got a package in the mail today, or at the front door, I guess you'd say. And it's from Omaha Steaks. And there's some stuff in there. So I'm gonna open it up and see what's in there. Should we open it up? We shall open it up. So let's figure out how to open this up with the camera in one hand and scissors in the other hand. What did we get in here? Woo! So we got this little package here and this other little package here. And I think on here somewhere says that it's roast tri-tip. So we got 2 roast tri-tips on here. So that's what we got right here. And it's all locked up, so I'm not gonna open it. So you have to stay tuned for when we open it and we eat it.
tri-tip.
Yeah, tri-tips. Yum, yum, and the tum, tum, tum. That's right.
Hello, and welcome to the end of the vlog.
Hi.
We're so proud of you for making it to the end of the vlog.
Yep.
What we're not proud of is that Bentley and Luna won't leave each other alone. Simmer down now.
Oh, come on, guys.
Anyway, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it
A thumbs up, ski.
boop,
Let your thumb ski.
up.
Up. Up there.
That's how we know you like our video. Also, you could leave a nice comment below saying that you liked our video. We get a few of those. We're always excited to read them.
Yeah.
Even though sometimes it takes us a few days to get to them because there's so many of them.
Alright, calm down.
But what we do here on this channel is we make vlogs Monday through Friday, and sometimes we throw up some fun stuff on the weekends, like M&M taste tests,
Yeah.
or other things that we've done. Ferrero Rocher challenge.
Yep.
Lots of fun stuff.
Yeah.
We have a fun one coming up this weekend too, don't we?
We do. I don't know. I don't think we had anything coming up this weekend. We'll see.
I thought we did something.
We didn't.
Yes, we did.
What did we do?
We have a video coming up this Saturday.
I don't know what he's talking. I'm confused. Anyway.
You'll see, and so will she, and she'll be like, "Oh yeah, da-da-da."
Yeah, after we're off the camera here, he's going to tell me what it is.
So make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on this video that Carolyn has no idea is coming, even though she was in it.
I was in it? So
make sure you subscribe because love.
Oh, I know which one it is.
There she goes.
It's a secret. You have to see it on Saturday.
And we will see you guys tomorrow.
Deuces.